Hi, so today I'm going to be unboxing this, so let's get started. Let's grab a scissor. I'm so excited. I actually haven't even heard the album, I haven't watched anything, just so I can save this moment. Oopsies. So yeah, I haven't actually opened or seen any of it. I might just save this for the sticker. I'll see if I could take it off later and maybe stick it on here, stick it somewhere. Alright, wow, it looks like a book. Okay, let's open it up. CD. We can be together in this space while being on the other side of the earth. We can be together at any time, not just at 12 o'clock. Physical matters certainly remain indifferent in our space. I only hope for this to never cease. I hope this space that belongs to me, to you and me, but the site for anyone to rest in tranquility. I hope for our moments to rise and remembrance and embrace you like no other. This is dedicated to those who have created our space together. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see if what's the best angle to do this at. Kind of, yeah. Maybe. I don't know how to do the overhead thing, so there we go. Kind of see it like that. So, okay. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. Songs. Oh man. These photos are really nice. Really nice. Yeah, so I have actually avoided listening to any of the songs and music videos and anything because I was waiting till I got the album, which took forever for it to get here. Okay. I didn't even know he had so many tattoos because he always like covered them up pretty well. But it's also rare that I get actual albums, so. But I felt like I needed to get this one, so. And I didn't want to wait till I traveled to go find it, so. Broke my rule and bought it online, and yeah. Totally worth it. Oh my, these photos are just really nice. Wow, I think this is my favorite one. Oh, I don't want to see those yet. No spoilers. you can still see his like arm hair. It's pretty cool. Oh, I think I kind of wrecked this a bit. Oh, it's so sad. Oh man. I think this is my favorite page actually. Yeah, well, this was honestly quite amazing. Oh, I can take this off. So is it just orange? Oh, okay, yeah. So glad I have this in my collection now. I'm gonna go look for his other albums next time I go to Asia, which is hopefully soon. And yeah, I'll give it a listen and then I'll see what I think. Yeah, anyways, bye bye.